In today's video, I will be explaining what does obedience mean and why does it matter or it's important to all of us. Well, let's start off by the definition of obedience. It is to obey or to follow someone else's authority. It means to do what proper authority tells us to do when it tells us to do something that is in keeping the commandments. Why do we need obedience? Firstly, when we are young, we follow and obey our parents because it trains us to identify and respond to the Word of God. And there is an affirmative aspect to that obedience, and that's also why it's necessary on this who exercise on that obedience. We'll always have it in our lives, in our moral character for a lifetime.